You guys are most welcome to unboxing video of Marshall headphone. Today I'm gonna show you the Marshall Major 3 Bluetooth headphone. So let's just get started. We are unwrapping. Yep, cutting it off. There we go, slowly taking it out. Oops. I'm so concerned every time I unbox any device. So there we go, it's amazing. See how lovely it looks when you unbox it. There we go. Here comes my baby. Awesome. So like collapsible design, as you can see. What else it got? I guess it's manual user manual, basically. Yeah, pretty much straightforward, like all device it comes along. So we also have the warranty in different language. Here we go, some words. You've got two words. One is for recharging, another one is to share with your friends or loved one. I mean, when you play the same music, so it has a unique system that you can share your music. You can hear at the same time. I've got it's lovely. It's such a unique device. It's very vintage, as you can see, guys. It's very how to say, it does really stand out. As if you can say, you can look at the design itself. And oops! Oh, sorry. It's amazing sound quality. I literally spellbound listening to the music and enjoying it. So good. All those headsets I've been using for so long, so many years. Honestly speaking, this is the best thing you can possibly have. So never forget, it's the Marshall. It's always the best and the unique sound system. If this video is helpful, please do not forget to like, share and comment, and put your valuable comments. If you have, put it in the comment box. And keep watching my channels at the same time. Take care, guys. Thank you.